Olympiad exams or Olympiads are the means for students to compete with other students on a similar educational level. Such exams promote the learning skills in subjects like mathematics, science, computer technology, or English language among students. An Olympiad helps students analyze their strengths and weaknesses based on their performance in the nationwide or international level examination. These exams provide an absolute assessment of students' knowledge and motivate them towards academic improvement. The participating students are judged based on the scientific reasoning and logical ability. Some of the benefits offered by the Olympiads are: Olympiads give a boost to students' reasoning ability. They help students assess their capabilities and have a better idea of their potential. They help students understand their weaknesses, which can be worked upon. Olympiads challenge students' intellect in such a way that it promotes a deeper understanding of scientific facts. They sharpen the students' analytical skills. Competing at the national or international level provides students a different level of exposure. The questions asked in the Olympiad exams help students better understand the concepts that are taught in the class. Interested students or school can participate for the Olympiads through Indian Talent Olympiad, for which link is given in the description area. On Indian Talent Olympiad, you can register for annual Olympiad exam such as science, English, computer, drawing, maths, GK, essay or social Olympiad. Or you can also register for monthly Olympiad, in which you will get topic-wise questions, unlimited practice test and monthly assessment test. On Indian Talent Olympiad, you can also register for live online classes. Live classes is available for class 1st to class 10th. Study material is also provided by the Indian Talent Olympiad, which consists of workbooks, previous year papers, power pack and combo. Scholarships are also provided to students. Total awards worth rupees 5 crore is distributed. Over 35,000 awards are distributed, and all the class toppers get the medals and certificates. And the top students will also get the grand prizes. 8 students will get rupees 1 lakh and 10 students will get rupees 40,000. And 10 students get a chance to win a laptop and 200 students get a chance to win a tablet. To boost your preparation for the Olympiad, Olympiad books are also provided by the Indian Talent Olympiad. Olympiad workbooks are made available for students of class 1st to class 10th. These Olympiad books are composed in a student-friendly manner by the subject expertise. Various different topics are covered under these books. The content is well planned and arranged in such a way that students can find it easy to read and understand. And to boost your preparation, previous year Olympiad questions are also provided. Previous year Olympiad questions paper gives students an idea of the exam pattern. Students thoroughly participating the previous year papers learn to solve problems easily during the final examination. Indian Talent provides sets of question papers and answer keys with solution along with the practice OMR sheets. Previous year question papers for all Olympiad subjects are provided. If you have still any doubt related to this, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in another video.